Miracle locate me. The Bible says, for he sent forth his words and healed them. So by the reason of the word of God and the reason of the anointing, that every yoke shall be destroyed. So say, Father, as I listen to your word, bring my healing. As I listen to your word, as I just sit down, listening to your word, let my healing come. Let my deliverance come. Let my favor come. Let my provision come. Open your mouth and say that prayer. In the mighty name of Jesus. So we thank God again for the provision of another child. Almighty know how to play the devil. Can I be amen? They know how to discipline the devil, how to arrest him at the presence of man. Bible says, if they had known, they would have crucified the King of all glory. If the enemies knew that crucifying Jesus on the cross would bring about their downfall, the downfall of the kingdom of heaven, they wouldn't have crucified Jesus. They would have given him chieftaincy title. Don't talk to me now. Because if we talk to him now and we kill him, he's dead to bring problem to us. So his life and family today, power will change hand in the name of Jesus. Now look at that Genesis 15 from verse 9. I'm going to read from NIV. It says, so the Lord said to him, bring me a heifer, a goat and a ram, each 3 years old, along with a dove and a young pigeon. Abraham brought all these to him, cut them into two, and arranged the halves opposite each other. The pairs, however, he did not cut into half. Then prayer came down on the carcasses, but Abraham drove them away. The sun was setting. Abraham fell into a deep sleep, and he came over here. Then the Lord said to him, no for certain. Somebody say, no for certain. Will be strangers in a country not their own, and they will be slaves. They will be enslaved and entreated 400 years in this slave, and afterwards they will come out with great possession. Can somebody shout a big amen? In this service, God will deliver you from slavery, and the power that is enslaving you shall be destroyed by fire. If you are here, your family is under slavery. Your business, your health is a slave. Your business is a slave. Your destiny is a slave by the enemy, by marine powers, by occultic powers, by witchcraft powers, by evil men and women. Today, by the hand of God, by the reason of the anointing shall you shall be delivered. And as God is delivering you, every power that has enslaved you shall be destroyed by fire. Because if they are not destroyed, they may try to rise again. They may say, let's go back and check whether he's weak in prayer. Let's go and cry and check whether she is weak in prayer. So I can do it again. Because Jesus said that when a demon and evil spirit depart from somebody, it goes out moving up and down in the desert, and after some time, if that person is empty and not occupied, the demon will say, let me go and check the house I left, the man, the woman I left, let me go and see whether the person is free, so that I can go in again. And Jesus said, when that demons come back and discover from afar that the person is empty, clean, the demon will say, okay, let me go back, I will not enter alone now. Last time I was there alone and they drove me out. So now I will bring extra demons that are more wicked than me. So that extra 7 demons plus myself, that's 8. And we will enter there and the person condition become the worst. Hallelujah. So God told Abraham, where we read now from Genesis 15, from verse 9 to 14. He said, no for certain. Let me give you a a strange country. And in that country where they will go to, they will stay there for 400 years. Not only they will stay there for 400 years, the people of that nation will enslave them. That is, the people of that nation where they will enter as a slave will maltreat them. They will deal with them. They will see them here. They will suffer. In fact, they will be disgraced. But after the 400 years, I will bring them out. And when I bring them out from that land, I'm going to deal with that nation that has been enslaving them. Today, judgment of God will move to our father family, to our mother family, to our inner family, to where we are living, to where we are working. And every power that has been enslaving us, power fighting our progress, power that wants to kill us, power that wants us to be poor, power that wants us to misbehave, power that wants us to be down in life. The judgment of God will strike them today in the name of Jesus. The Lord said afterward, I will bring them out, but I will not bring them out and leave those enemies free. Your enemy is not escaping today. Any channel through which your enemy will escape after they have suffered you, that channel is hereby closed by fire. Any demon, any marine spirit, occultic power, witchcraft power that is tormenting anybody, family here, or business, or life, or health, and for long, how many years you have been praying, how many months you have been praying, how many weeks, how many days you have been suffering, crying. That sickness has been there, tormenting you, and suddenly they want to run. They are not running, fire will burn them today.